Hello traders and future investors. I am Rahul, and today we will talk about the types of charts in binary options and how to use them. Bullish trend. In binary options trading, just like in general trading, an upward trend or bullish trend is an active direction of price movement where prices constantly change. This trend demonstrates a series of consecutive higher lows and higher highs. The main characteristics of an upward trend in binary options trading are higher lows. Each new low price is higher than the previous one, indicating support from buyers. Higher highs. Our new high prices and the measures mentioned above indicate the strength of bulls in the market. Directional movement. The price chart has an upward slope, and the trend can be visually seen as an upward sloping line. Upward trends usually indicate that demand for assets outweighs supply, and traders expect this trend to continue in the near future. In this case, traders using binary options may consider the possibility of opening call options, contracts predicting an increase in asset prices. It is important to note that trading always carries risks, and traders should use risk management rules to minimize the risk of losses. Bearish trend. In binary options trading, a downward trend or bearish trend is an active direction of price movement where prices gradually decline. This trend creates a series of consecutive lower lows and lower highs. The main characteristics of a downward trend in binary options trading are lower lows. Each new low price is lower than the previous one, indicating increasing pressure from sellers. Lower highs. Our new high prices and the following ones indicate the strength of bears in the market. Directional movement downwards. The price chart has a downward slope, and the trend can be visually seen as a downward sloping line. In the following trends, it is predicted that active supply prevails over demand, and traders expect the downward trend to continue. Over several binary options, traders may consider the possibility of opening put options, contracts anticipating a decrease in asset prices. It is important to remember that binary options trades provide limited opportunities for managing trades after they are opened, so traders should carefully analyze the market and use risk management strategies to ensure the safety of their investments. Sideways trend. Trading is a situation where asset prices are held in a narrow range, oscillating around certain levels and do not show a clear upward or downward direction. In such a market, there is no clear direction of price movement, and the chart usually represents a horizontal line or channel. The main characteristics of a sideways trend in binary options include horizontal price movement. Prices fluctuate around certain levels without forming distinct peaks or troughs. Lack of a clear trend. There is no clear upward, bullish trend or downward, bearish trend, direction of price movement. Frequent changes in direction. The market may frequently change direction, creating new local highs and lows within the sideways range. Low volatility. A sideways market is characterized by low volatility, which means limited price fluctuations. A sideways trend can occur as a temporary phenomenon when the market is awaiting new fundamental data or events that may affect the direction of price movement. For binary options traders, such periods of sideways movement can have advantages, such as opportunities for trading within the trading channel, from peak to trough and back, and preserving reserves, as predicting the exact direction of movement may be more challenging. It is important to use analysis and risk management strategies when trading in sideways trends. So today, we looked at different types of charts. I also recommend you the trading platform Trade, which is considered one of the most reliable in my list. See you in the next videos.